Good morning, everybody. I'm awake at this time of the morning because I want to show you guys what the street lights and their projection into my room. This is apparently my bed. Both of them are. And outside, on the street, you're going to see the street light, okay? There's one right over there. I'm not really sure if you guys can see it. That one being projected so intelligently that can be only seen, in a very darkest of the night, and I can't really record it, I can't really take a picture. And there's another one right there. Strange, they were white colored, but then they turn into this kind of color, And the way they're being projected inside my room is very interesting, It's very remarkable. How they get inside my room, how they project around my room. It's 5G. It's 5 fucking G. That these people don't want to accept it. These people don't want to believe it when you tell them. They don't want to accept it when you tell them. They're in a secret society. They're like, this does not exist. They're hurting you, abusing you, and denying it at the same time. And by the way, the street light falls right over there, below the bed. And I have the scratches, all over my body. The time it starts to fill over there. It's sickening. They do damage to you, they disturb you, they harass you. And when you report that, you are the main source of the problem. And they have the evil psychologist, who's also a Freemason. And she has that picture even on her shirt. And she lurks around like an evil, in front of me every day. And I'm like ignoring it when I'm going to my internship. So classes are starting, and these things are happening here. Plus the warnings, threatenings, just like a life of a targeted individual student. This is me, and I believe there are hundreds of thousands of others who are going through this rough period without knowing the truth. Maybe they're not awake to the fact that they're being targeted.